What is the proper way to thread Tornado+Flask app? I made a web app with Flask and ran it with Flask's own web server with parameter threaded equals true. It worked perfectly. But soon I found that it's only suitable for dev environment, so I decided to use Tornado. But it doesn't work concurrently. Is there any parameter like threaded equals true or Flask to thread? Or should I do it manually? If so, what is the proper way to do it?
Tornado's Wisja container does not support threads, which means that it is also not suitable for most production usage. The rest of Tornado is just not Wisja container. It's only a good idea to use Tornado's Wisja container when it's important to serve both Tornado request handlers and Whiskey applications in the same process. Otherwise, I recommend Unicorn or Usky.